Hi guys, short video here about this smart ink. I bought this for this Canon TR6220 or 22A. These are all the same. So let's see what we get. It's a full set. We have all the colors here inside. At the moment, I don't need all of them. Zooming in here a little bit so you can see the large black is empty and so it's not printing anymore. So of course we have to close this lid here, also this, then we can lift up the upper part. And so we have now access to the print cartridges. So I can just push here and lift it out. Yeah, I think it's empty. Always a good thing to put something underneath. Now let's see how this one works. Let's try how we can open that. Yeah, good thing we don't need a knife or scissors. So we can easily open. And so I would recommend not to touch here in this area because it needs to detect the printer cartridge. And so we hold it like that, this side to the top to prevent any leakage. And then we just pull here a little bit and lift this up on top of something like a paper or so, like here in this case. And then we have to fully remove that. I can definitely feel that it's full of ink. What's also important when you buy something like that it arrives very, very clean. You can see there's absolutely no ink outside. My fingers are totally clean. That's what you want. And so I turn it around, push it here inside fully to the front, and then push down here till it snaps in. And it has detected the ink already. So I can push it down. Let's wait a little bit. Dispose the old one. Now, of course, we have to open the lid, pull out this thing, open it, confirm here. And so it's processing and says printing. Printing here a nozzle check pattern. Okay, so let's see, everything looking good, exactly how I want this. There are some other colors which I need to replace, but the black is definitely perfect. Yes, as smart ink, I don't know what smart ink means, but I think it's definitely a smart thing to buy this ink here. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.